Hello and welcome to today's video. I want to show you how you can extract an audio from your video, and mainly TikTok videos, because that's where a majority have a challenge with. So you're going to be using 3 open source softwares. Number 1 is going to be TikTok. 3 is going to be a tool that I use, snaptic.app.en, that I use to download my TikTok videos, and then from there I just upload them to this wonderful software, open software that I'm going to be talking about. So stick around to the end to get to know how you go about it. Also remember to comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed, remember to hit the subscribe button, give this video a like and share widely. So what you do, go to your TikTok account, and once you're there, pick a video that suits what you want to edit out, or maybe you want to create a new video out of the audio. So for example, I'm going to be taking this video from Barbara O'Neill. Then click on the link, and immediately you do that, go to your Chrome browser, then type in Snaptic. Yeah, go to your browser and just type in snaptic.app, and then just come and paste the link. So once you've pasted the link, it's going to show you a way you can download. You can either download the video in HD or just click download, and it's going to download and be saved in your PC. So after that, you're going to head on to another open source software by the name TinyWow, which is actually a very useful tool for any of us on the online space, anyone on the online space. So you don't necessarily have to download the apps or softwares that keep filling your PC. So upload, click on video, then upload, extract audio from video. It's going to give you